It's a 2014 Chevrolet Traverse. Its appeal starts with a class-leading cargo room and continues with modern technologies and top-of-the-line safety. You'll love the impression of its athletic hood design and striking good looks. It includes keyless entry, an emergency communication system, steering wheel audio controls, multiple airbags, and stability and traction control.
No one will complain about the temperature with the multi-zone climate control. Negotiating traffic has never been easier thanks to the blind spot indicator. Chevrolet's MyLink system allows you to control your music, hands-free calling, and so much more with just the sound of your voice.
With equal doses of refinement and excitement, this is the complete package. Experience this Traverse today.
Pohanka Chevrolet is a great place to buy a car. We're conveniently located at 13915 Lee Jackson Memorial Highway, Route 50 in Chantilly.